Methods for getting glowing face within a few minutes. A glowing face boosts your level of confidence and enables you to look active and good. Even just in your simplest outfit, search stunning for those who have that perfect glow in your face. But hectic lifestyle, dirt, pollution, and unhealthy habits steals away your natural glow. To get back your glow, I've developed some incredibly effective and fastest remedies that behave like a magic wand in transforming your dull, distressed skin to some fresh glowing skin within a few minutes. Use coconut oil and fresh lemon juice. Coconut oil has numerous benefits. It not only works as a wonderful moisturizer but a perfect strategy to brightening a monotonous complexion instantly. Take 2 teaspoons of cold-pressed coconut oil, spill couple of drops of fresh lemon juice and massage in your face for 2 to 3 minutes. Wipe by a moist cotton swab. It brings a perfect glow for your complexion. This recipe will work for all skin tones. Tomato cleanser. Have a half overripe tomato, pour a dollop of manuka honey regarding this and lightly rub in your face for 1 minute. Allow it to take 2 to 3 minutes after rinse with cool water. It provides a refreshing glow for an oily skin, and also a lot of vitamin C and antioxidants in tomato help lightens dark marks, liver spots, and sun spots on face. Honey and essential olive oil. Honey makes your complexion vibrant and provides a youthful glow for your skin. Simply take a spoonful of organic honey, combine a couple of drops of essential olive oil and apply on your face. Lightly massage inside a circular, upward motion for 4 to 5 minutes after wipe by a moist cotton swab.